some of the contraindications or situations that we would want to be careful when utilizing this tape are these. Any allergy to adhesives, such as Band-Aids, okay, for obvious reasons. Second is open wounds, hopefully for obvious reasons as well. Other reasons to be very careful or not utilize the tape. And any active infection site due to the tape's effects on blood flow, this could increase the spread of the infection. Another reason is active cancer sites have an impaired ability to heal, and also the complications with the tape affecting the circulation. The last reason to not utilize this kinesiology tape is over any areas that have DVTs or blood clots. This also has the potential to break free one of these blood clots and cause complications. You should also contact a professional in the following situations. If you have fragile skin, or taking blood thinners, taking any hormone replacement therapy, or on any medications that affect your circulatory system. All right, let's get down to some of the nitty-gritty, talking about our skin prep. All right, it's very important to prepare the skin for the kinesiology tape, because poor preparation affects the adhesion of the tape and reduces its benefits. So the first thing you want to look at doing is clip or shave hairy areas. Okay, this would be just fine. This you might want to trim up a little. Also, remove any oil, sweat, or lotion with rubbing alcohol. Lastly, you want to apply the tape 30 minutes prior to any activity that would cause sweat or wetness. You want to measure the length of the tape that you're going to apply with the body part in its lengthened position. You also want to round the edges of the tape to keep from the tape peeling back. We'll go over this when we go over some applications on particular body parts and for particular reasons. Lastly, you want to remove the backing of the tape. Now, you can remove the backing of the tape in several different ways. You can try to peel it off like that, okay? Or what I prefer is just tear it and then peel it. That seems to work much easier. Come back to our future videos and we'll go over some basic principles.